How to delete Twitter account. Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to delete your Twitter account. This method will work on both iOS and Android, so just follow my steps. Before doing this, please make sure your Twitter app is updated. Now open Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture. From this list, tap on Settings and Support. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Here we will see all the settings of our Twitter account. To delete the Twitter account, tap on Your Account. Now tap on Deactivate Account. On the next page, you will see some information regarding your Twitter account deletion. Now tap on Deactivate. For security reason, we have to input our Twitter account password. After inputting the password, tap on Deactivate. A pop-up window will open for confirmation. Just tap on Yes, Deactivate. On the next page, we will see your account is deactivated, which means we are done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.